I'm Pascal CLEMENT, founder of PERCENTAM'S. In fact, I started my career at a very young age, working on the family farm in Canada. But I started my industrial career in 1996 as a marine mechanic on ships, before moving on to factories as an industrial maintenance technician. Then, I became an engineer in automated production before completing a master's degree in reliability and industrial maintenance, specializing in predictive maintenance, vibrations and acoustics. I have also been teaching reliability and industrial maintenance for over 20 years, in partnership with universities, particularly in adult education, via continuous training. I have been pursuing my industrial career for more than 25 years and have worked as an employee for many years. I noticed that internally, it is difficult to make things evolve. On the other hand, in teaching, working with people who are motivated, who want to improve, who want to take ownership of the concepts, that's where I really enjoy sharing my knowledge, and we achieve very positive and concrete results. A few years ago, I moved from Canada to Europe after a family decision. From there, I decided to create PERCENTAM'S to provide training and coaching in physical asset management. PERCENTAM'S mission is to help industrial companies extract maximum value from their physical assets. This aligns with sustainable development, focusing on people, planet, profit, to ensure employee health and safety, protect the environment, reduce consumption of non-renewable resources, and maximize profits. PERCENTAM'S offer is aimed at all types of industries, such as the manufacturing sector, agri-food, aeronautics, the mining sector. From individuals who want to boost their careers through self-paced training, to large corporate companies looking to develop a partnership and truly optimize departments, lines, or even entire factories, and then repeat the methods in other factories. PCAM stands for Performance-Centered Asset Management, for asset management focused on performance. So the approach is holistic. It's based on a process. This is based on a body of knowledge taught through training sessions. There are 5 training sessions that complement each other. And following these training sessions, participants who have successfully completed them can obtain certification as a leader in asset management. Once the processes and methods have been implemented and applied in the industry, we have an audit tool. So, with this audit tool, first we define a reference, and then we implement methods to recheck at regular intervals, every 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years, to ensure that we always target the areas where we have to work to achieve better results. And all of this is supported by coaching, in which the aim is to truly transmit know-how and knowledge. 3 solutions are proposed. The corporate and factory solution, which is developed in 3 parts. In the first part, we target with the industrialist, where we need to work to ensure a pilot project that will generate profit as quickly as possible. In the second part, we train the staff and develop the project. In the last part, we can implement the method in other production sites or lines. The second solution consists of on-demand training sessions. It targets industrial companies that want to train part of their staff on certain asset management topics. Finally, the third solution, train at your own pace, is for individuals who want to advance their careers and develop their knowledge in asset management. These are pre-recorded training sessions available directly on the PERCENTAM'S platform. Regarding the observed results following the interventions, we have managed to increase the overall equipment effectiveness on certain production lines by more than 10% in less than a year. Among the other results observed following our interventions is that we've improved staff retention. In fact, employees involved in the projects are more engaged. And the improvements we bring to the lines also enable new personnel to become more efficient more quickly. We break down silos by creating better synergy between different departments. This creates a better work environment and thus a better quality of work life. PERCENTAM'S challenge is to help the industry rise towards sustainable development, and that the PCAM approach and the certification of leader in asset management becomes an international reference.